Hello everyone, welcome back to MoodleClicks. In the previous video, we learned how to create cohorts manually. If you need to create many cohorts at once, doing it one by one can take a lot of time. Fortunately, Moodle allows you to create multiple cohorts in a single step by uploading a CSV file. In this video, I'll show you how to upload multiple cohorts using a CSV file. The CSV file for this tutorial has already been prepared. Let's take a quick look at it. The first row contains the column headings. The only required field is name, which is the name of the cohort. I have also included ID number and description, which are optional fields. Each row below the headings represents a new cohort that Moodle will create. Now let's upload the file. Go to Site Administration. Click Users. Under Accounts, select Cohorts. Click Upload Cohorts. Drag and drop the CSV file into the upload area or click Choose a file to browse for it. Leave the CSV delimiter set to comma since our file uses commas to separate the fields. Keep the encoding as UTF-8. We'll also leave the default context as System, which creates site-wide cohorts. Now click Preview. Moodle displays a preview of the data and checks the file for any errors. If everything looks correct, click Upload Cohorts. Moodle will now create all the cohorts listed in the CSV file. Click Continue. We are now back on the cohorts page. As you can see, all the new cohorts have been created successfully. And that's it. In this tutorial, you learned how to create multiple cohorts at once by uploading a CSV file. This is a simple and efficient way to manage large numbers of cohorts, especially when setting up a new Moodle site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and support the MoodleClicks channel for more Moodle tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.